In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download Red Dead Redemption on your mobile device. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you can do this on an Android or an iPhone, it doesn't necessarily matter. On Android, open up the Google Play Store. On iPhone, go ahead and open up that App Store. And essentially just go ahead and search down at the very bottom for Red Dead Redemption. And then go ahead and hit search. From here, you'll scroll down and you'll see Red Dead Redemption is actually on here. And you can either get it specifically through the app for about $40 USD, or you can actually get it for free through Netflix. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that Netflix option because, it is free, or free in a way. You are going to need a Netflix membership, but essentially just simply go ahead and hit get, hit install, and it's going to begin installing to your device, which is pretty cool. I can't believe this is actually on here. It may take a minute to download depending on your current internet speed, but after installation, you can actually load in, sign into your Netflix profile, create a game handle, and download any extra required files. I would definitely recommend being connected to Wi-Fi just for faster downloading, but after the installation does finish, you could choose your difficulty, whether it's normal, hardcore, nightmare. You can even enable subtitles. And the game's going to automatically save your progress with autosave. The game runs smoothly on modern phones like the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I have an iPhone 16 and it runs pretty good as well. But that is that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.